We recognize the pre-existing and continued sovereignty of the 9 federally recognized tribes and thank them for continuing to share their traditional ecological knowledge and perspective. We commit to engaging in a respectful and successful partnership as stewards of these lands. We will uphold government-to-government relations to advance strong governance, outcomes supportive of the tribal and self-determination and sovereignty.
Specialized ICWA courts are an increasingly vital tool in improving outcomes for Native families. Marion County's ICWA Court is the second of its kind in Oregon. Soon we will have 3 in Oregon, with Multnomah County joining. Marion County's ICWA Court will help keep families together and will center the voices of tribes and families.
For 28 years, I have wanted to rock the courtroom with a drum. And the first time I heard the drum to open up the courtroom, I was amazed. Advocating for families and for our tribe and for ICWA, to hear the drum, it did something to my soul, and I'm so happy to be part of that.
I became a judge in 1980. That was 2 years after the Indian Child Welfare Act. I remember having kids that were coming back. They had all been adopted out by either religious adoption agencies or state agencies. They missed out on identifying who they were, knowing who their family was. We have to have our children back. We have an opportunity here to have our children come back to us. We will be doing a disservice to them and all Indian people throughout the nation if we don't take full advantage of that.
Looking at all of the people in this room and thinking about all of the work that we have done all these years and all the people that it takes, I wanted to just really express from my heart just the gratitude of everyone that does this work and how much it takes.
It's been so many years in the making. Everyone in this room has devoted their careers and their lives, or at the very least, your time and energy to helping to heal families. And I can think of no more noble or meaningful thing you could be doing with your lives than that.
I'd like to take a moment to thank Judge Perez and Judge Underwood for their leadership in agreeing to establish an ICWA court in Marion County. This court will serve as a significant step forward in enhancing child welfare's efforts to meet the needs of the tribal children and families while embracing and honoring tribal culture.
So now to be on this side of it and watch you guys do this work, thank you. Thank each of you who's gonna do this work because it affects our youth. It affected me. So to be able to present this to the children coming up and present it to you guys who do the work, to preserve these ways for our children to be able to have ceremonies, carry these songs, walk in a good way, be a good relative to one another.
A lot of the conversation today was reunification talk, and that's what our people are doing within these spaces. Reunification within our cultural values and teachings by rebuilding our traditional homeland for ceremony, and then reunification of our role as stewards here for the Willamette Falls.